Hello guys, welcome back to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to use Chatgpt to create flowcharts. Without further ado, let's get started. First, we have to command Chatgpt. For example, let's say give me steps on how to create case study research, and then we just click the arrow. Now the next part is we will put this prompt. Let's copy and then paste. Please create a flowchart representing the process of conducting a case study research incorporating above steps. Ensure the related steps are placed side by side. Now once the first generation is done, we're gonna send this. Now once it's done, let's just say please give me the mermaid code of that. Now once it's done, just copy the code and let's create a new tab and search for draw.io. Now click the first one. Now just click decide later, and from there click file and click new. I'm just gonna name this case study diagram. Now click create and then click the plus button and click advance and click the mermaid. Now we have to paste what we copy from Chatgpt. And after that, just click the insert button. Now as you can see, it gives us the flowchart of the previous code the Chatgpt given to us. Now you can customize this flowchart. You can change the color. You can also change the direction of the arrows. Now once you're satisfied to your flowchart, just go to File and click the Export As and choose the type of file you want to save the flowchart. I'm just gonna go to PNG and just click Export and then Save. And then that's it everyone. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you learned something. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.